great game that between two really good teams. Have we seen two teams there who are serious title challenges?
I saw two top teams. That's what I saw. Well, what does that say? What does that say about City, Tottenham, Aston Villa? Nothing. Yeah, top teams as well, and others as well. And maybe had a little bit lesser points, but they are there as well. I saw just two really good football teams.
Jurgen Klopp, Liverpool manager here, says that he has a great opportunity. Liverpool have the great opportunity to win the Premier League title because they just play well and they play the team, and of course they win the matches. And the only way to get to the Premier League title is to make sure that you win the games, you beat your opponents, and that's what happening to the Liverpool Football Club. And here's the head coach, Jurgen Klopp, says they have great confidence. They have confidence despite they know that the title contender, Manchester City, Spurs, Aston Villa, and Arsenal Football Club are also the title contenders, and they just want to win this title in one way or another. Despite there are so many difficulties in the Premier League, and of course they just make sure that they try the matches they can to make sure they get 3 points per each for every game, and that's what Liverpool fans want. In fact, it should be clear and noticed that winning the matches of the Premier League is just one among of the great way to win the trophy. And if you lose matches, there's no